Hi, today I would like to show you how to replace the charging port on Alcatel pop75 tablet, which is kind of a cheap product, but it's got the soldered charging port in it. So here is the demonstration on how do you replace that. So the first thing I am doing there is applying some more solder on top of the existing solder, because the just to actually make it wet so that when I heat it up it melts up quickly, and that's what I'm doing there. So once I've applied all the solder on all the joints already there, I'm just gonna heat it up, the previous charging port, and gonna grab it from a tweezer, and just gonna wait for it to melt so that I can lift it up. There you go, I've lifted it up. And now I'm just gonna apply some solder flux, which would help the rest of the solder to flow good, so that I can lift it up on the solder vac. Yeah, I was previously um, trying to measure the legs of the old new charger port. It's a pretty easy job for the people who've got the right equipment. So there you go. I've come up with my weapon, which is the the syringe with some solder flux in it. I'm just gonna apply some solder flux so that the solder can flow easily. There you go. That's my wick, and I'm just gonna put the wick on top of the solder and just heat it up. And there you go. As you can see, the holes are clean, and this one too. There we go. And simply I'm just gonna put the new one on and solder all the pins together. Whenever you are soldering a new charging port, make sure you solder the pins, connection pins, before the legs. That just makes it easier to rearrange the position of the charging port. You may be putting it in a wrong way. There we go, it's almost done. I think it is all done. I'm just gonna solder the legs now, and that's it. There we go, we've successfully soldered the new charging port. Just take it out, clean it, put it back on, and start charging the device which wouldn't charge before. There we go, we are all done there. We are just gonna plug it in to see if it charges, which it will eventually because it has been replaced. And in the meanwhile, thank you very much for watching the video. If there are any more requests, please comment below, or if you want to know anything, feel free to question me. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. It's time to sign out. Bye bye.